Yes, I do have a special veteran. My father-in-law was a veteran in World War II. He was in the 509th Parachute Infantry in World War II and was parachuting in to Italy, was misdropped, and then had to go in and rescue one of his comrades from an enemy occupied. He rescued them and earned the Silver Star for that valor, so he's very special.
Absolutely. My husband was a Marine, so he's definitely a special Marine that impacted my life. He was in the Marine Corps for 8 years, but once a Marine, always a Marine, so absolutely. I'm happy to honor veterans, especially since my husband was one, and especially since they frequently give up their lives for our rights and our freedoms. So.
Veterans Day means to me is my dad used to work in the military, and he lost his hearing in a bombing in Iraq. So he's very important to me. We're kind of best buds, mostly because we are alike when he was a kid, and I care about him and he cares about me, and I feel sorry that he had to go through what he had to when he was in the Army.
Veterans Day is a day where we're thankful for the soldiers who fought for our freedom.
Veterans Day is a legal U.S. holiday that is dedicated to all the U.S. veterans of all wars. It originated as Armistice Day on November 11, 1919. It was the first anniversary for the end of World War I. Then Congress passed a resolution in 1926 for yearly observances. Memorial Day and Veterans Day are not the same because Memorial Day shows respect to those who have fallen during wars, and Veterans Day honors all the veterans in the military.